Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send documents on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to share important files or documents with your contacts quickly and easily. So today I'm going to show you how to send documents on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat or contact with whom you want to share a document. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this paperclip icon located at the right side of the text input field. In this menu, tap on this document option. A file explorer or document picker will open, allowing you to browse through your device storage to find the document that you want to share. Navigate to the folder where the document is saved and tap on it to select it. After selecting the document, WhatsApp will process and upload the file. Once the file is uploaded, you can add a message or additional context if you wish. Once you are done adding a message, tap on the send button. After that, the recipient will receive the message with the document attached. They can tap on the document to access it on their device. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send documents on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send documents on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.